So, may nagtatanong kung anong course nga daw ina-offer dito. BS Architecture, BS Civil Engineering, BS Industrial Engineering, BS Electrical Engineering, BS Electrical Engineering, BS Computer Engineering, meron na tayong Bachelor of Elementary Education, Bachelor of Secondary Education, and Teacher Certificate. Yes po.
Hindi ganyan. Ba't sobrang bilis?
Ay, sorry. Di ba bagay? Meron tayong engineering, architecture, education, elementary. Ito na, meron tayong engineering,
Architecture,
education, elementary and secondary,
accountancy,
IT,
BSBA, marketing, and
FM,
ano FM?
financial management,
College of Tourism and Hospitality Management,
College of Nursing,
College of Psychology,
and short courses such as bread and pastry,
Culinary,
and drop by lang. Mali ako. So, drop by and visit Universal College Parañaque.